Hi, this is Insurmount.
In this video we're making this amphibious go-karts.
Let's show you how it's done. So before we start doing anything, of course we need to eat breakfast, so we can discuss our plans over breakfast. We already have a cart, but now we need to find a way to make this thing float. Hey Vessel, want a spoon? So we just got confirmation that we can grab some barrels somewhere in the other side of the country. So we're going on a road trip, getting some barrels. Let's go to the car. We are in a hurry.
I've got cash.
Let's go! So we're on our way to the barrel guy right now, but why barrels?
Well, during our breakfast discussion, we first came up with styrofoam. However, styrofoam is super dinky.
So we thought, let's use PVC sewer pipes. But Stan hates PVC and he's very stubborn, so we're not using those either.
Instead, we're using glorious oil drums. Oil drums are made out of steel, which means that I can just weld them on everything I want. Super easy, super nice, so we're on our way to get them right now.
So we've got the barrels and we'll attach them in these three positions, so hopefully it will be stable enough in the water. Let's start welding.
So that's the frame. Let's see if it fits.
Yeah, that's nice.
So, time to assemble everything? So, the frame is sort of half assembled and it looks good, don't you think?
Yeah.
So, if you could make a piece of metal for inside here,
Yeah.
keep it all up, I'll weld these two things and we should be all done.
Okay.
So, you go to the workshop.
Let's go. What's a span band?
Ow! We finished assembling the frame, and as you can see, it's super sturdy because I can stand on it, which is more than we need. So now it's time to mount the barrels, for which we made these curved pieces of metal, which are going to sit right underneath here.
Let's go.
There's no safety, only death. I feel it's very useful right now. Wow!
I'm flabbergasted.
It's fully assembled, so it's time to test this thing out.
I'm afraid of this thing falling over on top of me. Look, it does float for like 2 seconds,
Yeah?
then you get really wet. Look, it does float.
Oh yeah, but
not
the mass
I'm on it.
just wasn't centered enough. Oh yeah, that's nice.
This sort of works. Yeah, it's still going to... It's still going to fall. It's really crazy that you feel it start floating and then it stops floating. Wheelies! So, that test didn't go entirely as planned. I'm very wet. Everything went into the water. What we need to do is add some flotation in the back, like we said in the beginning of this video, because that will hopefully keep us from keeling over like I did. So that's what we're going to be doing right now.
No, Stan was lying. We are first for practical reasons, going to fix the propulsion because speed is key.
Vessel made these pedals, which we're going to attach to the rear axle, so we have propulsion in the water, but we need to change the frame to make this work. So we're going to attach this beam and remove the old one, and that's it basically.
So this is Insurmount welding vlog 1.
No!
we had a thing about not making any vlogs. Shit, I can't go that way. We had a thing about not making any vlogs, but I just wanted to say that I'm being held here against my will, and I have to weld and weld, and I can't stop welding. There's never an end to all the welding.
Stan's not here, but me and Boss are going to try to weld anyway. What can go wrong, right? That's terrible.
So the guys did an amazing job, wonderful job, best job of welding this U-frame, which fits on there perfectly. But before we put it on, we have to put on the paddles, making this thing propulsed. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Push him off. Push him off.
Push him off.
Time to test this amphibian cart.
I see a lot of splashing water, but not a lot of
movement. Maybe we should add another backside barrel.
But while the guys were driving back the skeleton, I raised ahead, already made 2 of these things new, so we can attach, instead of 1, we can attach 2 barrels in the back. So that's what we're doing right now. There's a bit of a hurry because Bus is to leave soon and we want to finish this project today, so let's get on with it. That's all ready. Let's attach the barrels, test it out one more time. That's not going anywhere.
Hi, if you like this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. If you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Bye!